A man handcuffed himself to the main gate of Buckingham Palace and threatened to harm himself as police swiftly intervened. Footage shared on Twitter shows a man, believed to be in his 30s, wearing a black and pink cap and a white shirt locked to the iconic gate. In front of him appeared to be a leaflet, the pages of which were being blown around by the wind. Australian journalist Katie Price, who recorded the video, also showed Met police officers quickly clearing the area of tourists and curious as they dealt with the incident. Upon sharing a video, she tweeted, "Unfolding drama at Buckingham Palace where a man has handcuffed himself to the entry gates. Police on hand." Read more. King Charles struggled with difficult upbringing as a monarch in training. Two other videos shared by the journalist showed police asking people to leave the premises. Ms. Price added, "Immediate vicinity of gate completely cleared now." In a statement, the Met Police said, at around 17:23 hours a man approached the gates of Buckingham Palace and handcuffed himself to them. Officers in the area immediately approached the man, believed aged in his 30s, who began threatening to harm himself. Police are also on scene. Police are trying to speak to the man and bring the situation to a swift conclusion to ensure his safety and welfare. The Samaritans can be reached round the clock, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. If you need a response immediately, it's best to call them on the phone. You can reach them by calling 116-123, by emailing joe@samaritans.org or by visiting www.samaritans.org. We'll be bringing you the very latest updates, pictures and video on this breaking news story. Stay up to date with all the big headlines, pictures, analysis, opinion and video on the stories that matter to you.
Good.